Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can check your stats on the Marvel Snap game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Marvel Snap game on your device. And if you haven't logged into your account already, you can tap on the gear icon at the top left corner and then you can scroll down from the settings page where you will find the sign in option. Just tap on the sign in option underneath link account and you can sign in to your account, and this will take you back to your previous progress. Now if you wish to check your ranks or your stats, then there are different kinds of stat within the game. If you tap on Season Pass at the top left section, this will show you your current rank within the Season Pass menu. The number of cards that you have already collected will be shown at the top section, and the number underneath the star is your current rank. From the main menu, you will also see a number indicator at the right side of the play button. If you tap on this will show you your season rank. As you progress further within the game, the rank will also increase, and your current rank will be shown within the number that is indicated. You can also check your collection rank or your stats by tapping on the green star at the top section of your profile. This will show you how many cards that you have collected and which level of collection you have reached. And there you have it. That is how you can check your stats or your ranks within the Marvel Snap game. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.